so stupid. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Ashley and today I will be showing you our curly hair routine. I know I sound so crazy. I am sick and I'm trying to get over this cold. Now when I'm washing my hair, I usually like to part it into 4 sections because I have a lot of hair and parting it just makes it easier so I can just work in sections. To me, that just keeps my hair the most detangled and it's just a lot less work on myself personally, so I really like doing that. Okay, so now once my hair is in its 4s, I just start with the first section. It doesn't matter which one you start with. I always start off with just running my hair under the water to just saturate it and to loosen up my curls. And I only finger detangle. I never really use a comb. So making sure that my hair is nice and wet, it just makes it a lot easier for me to run my fingers through it and to finger detangle. When you're finger detangling, please make sure that your roots are cleared out, that you are detangling the hair and the roots and that everything is just cleared out. It's just going to make the after wash process so much easier. So for my shampoo, I'm going to take this black soap. We've talked about the soap quite a bit on our channel. This is one of our favorites. It's a multi-purpose soap. You can use it for your face, hair, clothes, like anything really. So this works really great for my shampoo. It really cleanses my scalp and I just like to work this into the scalp. I don't really like to use it down the strands of my hair because it will dry it out. So I first just rub that into my scalp, make sure everything is clean, and then I twist it up and put it into a little bantu knot. Of course, wash out the shampoo. And then I just repeat that step throughout all 4 sections of my hair. Now once all 4 sections are done, I'm just going to rinse out my hair one last time to make sure that all of the shampoo is out, and then we're going to move on to conditioner. This is the Carol's Daughter Almond Milk Restoring Conditioner. This stuff is really great. I love how gentle this conditioner is on my hair. It just makes your hair feel really soft and silky, and it smells really good too. It smells like cherries. I use a pretty generous amount of this conditioner. I really like to use a lot of conditioner in my hair because after putting in that shampoo, my hair just feels really dry. So I like to pack in the moisture again and make sure I get a lot of conditioner into my roots and down the strands of my hair, and especially the ends of my hair. And I just work that into each and every section, make sure I'm coating all of the strands of my hair. I don't know if you guys can notice, but my nose is super red in this clip. I'm just really trying to get over this cold and I've been blowing my nose like crazy. So yeah, please bear with me. I know my voice is not really what you're used to, but I'm trying here, guys. I'm trying. Yeah, so again, I just twist it and then I put it into a bantu knot, and I like to just pat off that extra conditioner right there that just sort of like builds up on the outside, and just work that throughout my whole head again. And I just repeat the same process with all 4 sections of my hair. And by the way, if you have even more hair than I do, you might want to consider doing 6 or 8 sections. Just break it up into sections that you can handle. You know, if it's too big, then just make smaller sections and do as many as you need. And after my hair is parted into the 4 sections, I also like to put extra conditioner in the parts in between and also around my edges, the nape of my neck, and behind my ears, just to make sure I'm getting all of the hair that's on my head. And once we're done with that, I just let the conditioner sit for about 10-20 minutes. And after that, I just go ahead and take my hair down, and I like to just go through my hair to pull out any pieces that are like hanging on the ends. I get a lot of that. That's just breakage from like the week where I haven't combed it out. It's all coming out now that I'm washing it. So I want to make sure I'm pulling all of that out. If not, that will stay in my hair and get tangled up into my hair and cause even more breakage. So yeah, always remove that. And then I'm going to go ahead and rinse out the conditioner.
Sorry to interrupt, but if you like what you see so far, be sure to subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. We upload every Tuesday and Friday, and weekly vlogs go up on Sunday, all at 9:30 a.m.
And I also like to leave a little bit of conditioner left in my hair after I'm done washing it. I don't really like to rinse out all of it because, you know, conditioner is good for your hair. I mean, it's just going to add more moisture to your hair. So I just leave in like a tiny little bit. Not too much, but just a little bit, just to keep my hair moisturized even longer. And that's it. I just go ahead and put my hair up into a hair towel. It's actually a t-shirt, but I like using t-shirts because cotton is better than like the towel material. It's much more gentler on your hair, and t-shirts don't cause frizz. Now that we're out of the shower, we quickly have to style our hair since this is a wash and go, so we have to go so quickly. I like to moisturize my hair again. I spray some more water in it because it did lose some of the moisture, the wetness from the hair towels. So I go ahead and just damp my hair a little bit, and I use the Carol's Daughter Hair Milk 4-in-1 combing cream. This stuff is amazing. First of all, it smells so good. It's so delicious, and it just feels really great in my hair. Like, it just makes my hair so silky soft. Like, it is. You guys just have to try it. You have to try it. So I just go ahead and use that in my hair. I pretty much just saturate my head in that, make sure I'm getting all of the strands. I'm going to link all of the Carol's Daughter products I used in this video down below in the description for you guys, because you guys really have to try it. And next, I like to use some black castor oil. I like to use this for my edges because low-key I'm using them. If you keep up with our weekly vlogs, I told you guys all about it. I'm losing my edges. It's very sad. I don't know why, but I'm trying to just grow them back a little. So I use some castor oil. So I just parted my hair off to the side, and I put a little bobby pin in there and just did like a little Lisette look, Lisette. If you guys know her, shout out to her. She's great. But that's an option. But I personally, you guys know, I'm bun life for life. So I always wear a bun. That's my go-to. So yeah, that is our curly hair routine from wash to styling. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we will see you in the next one. Bye!